Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the JDK is installed and environment variables are set. This lets the command prompt find JAVAC and Java. First, open command prompt in your project folder so relative paths work. Then verify with JAVAC version and Java version. If they show versions, you can compile and run. Once done, create a simple Hello World Java file or confirm your project files are present, because compiling is the next immediate action. Now you compile source files with JAVAC. For single files, use JAVAC Hello World Java, and for packages, specify D to place. Class files into an output folder. After successful compilation, run with Java CP, Hello World, or Java jar app. Jar when you have a manifest. If you depend on libraries, include them via class path or module path, because without them you'll get class not found exception. Make sure to adjust paths for Windows backslashes and quoted paths with spaces. To finish, recompile and run your program, and check output and exit codes to confirm everything worked. If you get errors, run JAVAC with verbose diagnostics and inspect stack traces to locate the source and line numbers. Make sure Java home and path point to the same JDK version, because version mismatch causes cryptic runtime errors. Finally, clear the screen, use the up arrow to rerun commands, and recompile after edits. This loop is how you iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.